So I'm here. Hey guys, I'm Jack Adams here, and I'm trying to get my web server up. So I have this cool web server running with Open for Business, and it's, you know, all Java-based, Glassfish stuff. Very, very cool. And it has a MySQL backend. But something is going wrong. It's kind of slow for some reason. I don't know what it is. So I heard of this DTrace stuff, and I'm trying to use DTrace for this, but I'm not being very successful. So let me see. I'm here on the DTrace mailing list. Oh, Sriram is online right now. So let me talk to him. Hey, Sriram, can you come here and talk to me a little bit about DTrace? Where is he? Cool. Come on.
Hey.
Sriram, hey man, how are you doing?
Hey.
Good seeing you.
Sure.
Oh, cool. So I like this IAM stuff because it's so fast. I type here and you show up.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you are a DTrace guy, right?
Yeah, I love DTrace. Yeah.
So Sriram, so I have this problem here with performance on my website, and I think I heard that DTrace. Oops, my website's falling off. No, maybe. Okay, thank you very much. I'm sorry about that. So I heard that DTrace. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, just leave the website there. That's no problem. I heard that DTrace could help us out. You know, how can I do DTrace on my website?
Yeah, DTrace is pretty cool, right? I mean, let's say you start with you're asking what website are you running on? Is it running on Glassfish?
It's running Glassfish and Java and Open Solaris and MySQL.
Right, great. It shows Open Solaris there. Right?
Yeah,
because
right.
Open Solaris provides you DTrace probes right from your Firefox, the browser end, to your web server running on Apache. That is the DTrace probes, and there.
Okay. Wait. You say provides DTrace probes?
Yeah.
What are those?
Okay, probes are ways that tells you what's happening underneath either Apache or MySQL.
Okay.
So you can write this one-liner script on DTrace.
Okay.
And it tells you, hey, this particular line is executing in Java, or it can tell you within MySQL, hey, this is the query I'm running. So you run this script that we have samples there within the Open Solaris. Say go to a given directory, say opt dtt, and run one of the sample scripts and tells you, hey, this is the query I'm running on, and this query is taking so long time.
Oh man, this seems so complicated.
No, not so complicated. All you got to do is use the sample scripts.
Yeah. Oh, just use the sample script, so it's already out there for me.
Right, and we have a great documentation on how do you build upon these sample scripts.
Oh, now you said the right thing. You have great documentation. So can I just go to the DTrace website and get documentation about it?
Right, you can go to the MySQL website and look for the documentation there, DTrace documentation. You can go to the Open Solaris website, look for DTrace documentation there.
Oh, excellent. So it's all cross-referenced. Glassfish, right. I mean, MySQL, DTrace, everything's cross-referenced.
Right, and that is also, and if you're interested on Apache, you know, that's where I would start with. In your case, if your site is long, I want to say what's happening in your site is first start with your web server. And the Apache within Open Solaris is part of the project called Webstack project. It's a project in Open Solaris where we do DTrace probes there. You can start with that one. Say, here is my probes. Use these probes to say what's happening in your web server, and then build from there. Say, what's your problem in the MySQL?
That sounds very cool.
Yeah.
So, can someone get my laptop over there? I need to try this right now.
Sure.
You know, I can't really work without my laptop here. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, cool. Right, so I'm going to try this right now. So I'm here. I'm running one of the DTrace probes on my MySQL server.
So yeah, so now you run this particular probe that I tell you here, query cache. I mean, let's see how much.
So it's showing me that I have this query here that says load all information on the database on the memory. I think that's the query that's taking too long.
Yes, that's right. So now let's say, now we know this particular query is doing this, we can rewrite the query. So it does it a little better for you.
Right, so let's rewrite the query. Let's call it something different. Let's say just load some information to memory. I think that's better.
Right. That's
right, okay.
Hey.
Whoa, it runs much faster now.
Cool.
That's very cool.
Your typing
yeah, that's a very good, yeah. You see?
You're awesome.
So I'm using DTrace to find things up. So what I'm doing here, not using DTrace to fix things, right? I'm using DTrace to find where things are going wrong.
Right. I mean, we have other tools, and DTrace was one of the simple tools that tells you what happens in your Solaris kernel. It also can tell you on MySQL. It can also tell you information on Apache.
That's so great.
Yeah.
So I can use DTrace to see what's going on into the kernel and into my application, all the way up my application.
Yeah, that's cool.
And do I have to write all those probe stuff?
Well, no, I mean, there are sample probes, but you can use it for your average day-to-day work. If you want something complicated, there are nice samples in the MySQL documentation. And where you want to do a little bit more than samples, you can use that.
That's very cool. Excellent. So I'm going to get work here, man.
Sure,
Very
man.
cool. Thanks for coming by.
Sure, man.
You
Glad
helped
to be
me a
of help
lot.
to you.
Thanks a lot.
Sure, bye.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.